y'all, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So I had a Aldi pickup, and I also had a few things I got from Food Line. So starting over here, I got some eggs and some medium pico de gallo and some butter. We were running low, some sour cream. I like this cheese, the organic Mexican cheese blend, so I got that. I also got some pork sausage and some non-Greek yogurt. I need to put this stuff in the fridge. Some egg rolls. So I got this to go with this orange chicken. I haven't bought this too much, but it says it's a bestseller, and I heard some other people. I think I have purchased this before, the Mandarin orange chicken, and I only got one bag and the chicken lo mein. So I got this. I have tried this as well, and it's pretty good. I was watching someone's channel, and yeah, so I just got those three to go together, and then the pico de gallo to go with. Well, let me go over everything, then I'll say what I got everything for. I'm sorry, y'all. So then I got some garlic chicken. I just got one bag because it's just us here. And then I got some steamed super sweet corn. A lot of S. And then the buffalo chicken strips. Deciding I like these. Jason probably likes them too, but we put them in the air fryer. I got 2 bags of the chips for Decide's lunch instead of getting the individual chips. But these kettle chips, they are really good, and I haven't picked up these in probably since the last time I showed y'all, because I just try not to bring too many chips in the house. This is probably the most that I brought in a while. And then this was a substitute because I asked for some other grilled chicken, but I can use this for like taco night. So I want to make burrito bowls, so that's why I have the sour cream. Well, sour cream be for anything. That he was going to give me frozen. I ordered some frozen, but this was a substitution. So I got some corn. I already have some black beans, and then brown this up and make some hamburger taco meat or whatever for tacos, or either salad or those burrito bowls, something like that. I'll probably do taco salad because the rice is a lot with the beans for me. Let's see, from Food Line. Sorry, I'm jumping in the middle, but it's right here. I probably was a little hungry, and I love spinach dip, so I got this Taste of Inspiration spinach dip with pretzels. And that's what it looks like. And I really wanted this to dip because I have pretzels. And then I like these Oh Snap pickles, these hot pickles. So I got 4 of those. I got to find a cheaper place to find these. I want to say Walmart does too, but I knew I was going to Food Line for that and the Yasso bars. I'll show y'all in 1 second. So back to Aldi. I did get some dirty rice, and I got that to go with Decide does like this. I usually get Zatarans, but I was just going to get Walmart brand. So this is one of those meals that I will make that was really affordable for my boys, but you can make your own too. But if you get multiple, I would have to get more than 1 box if they were here. But yeah, and try to make this one roll spread. And then I'll add a vegetable to that and probably some bread. I got some yellow rice if I want to make that for the burrito bowl or taco or whatever. And then I got 2 cans right now. These green beans are on sale because of that $40 Aldi Thanksgiving meal thing. I won't say Thanksgiving meal plan they have. So this is a good time to stock up on stuff like this that they have marked down, as well as like the stuffing. I only got 1. So today I was going to cook, but my order took longer, and then we end up just going to Zaxby's, and after I picked up the order, because the chicken just smelled so good, y'all, and I was just like, it's getting late, Jason's about to come home, but I was going to doctor up the stuffing and put like some onions and some celery in it, and I only got 1 box today because I have some in my prepper pantry, but I need to check the dates, and yeah, I knew it was just going to be just us eating it, so we didn't need that much. So I got some lettuce for those tacos or whatever I'll do taco night. And then a cream of mushroom soup, cream of chicken. Aldi sometimes has cream of celery, but not all the time. And I want to say these were marked down too as well. And I can't remember if this is on the list or not for that $40 Aldi Thanksgiving or holiday meal. I can't remember if it is or not, but I got that. And I was going to make some chicken and some stuff, and that's what I was going to do. So here's a pack of taco seasoning. And I thought I ordered a taco dinner kit, but I must have didn't. I got this for Josiah's lunch. There's a celery. I got some Honeycrisp apples, 7 bananas. I thought I hit quantity or 2, but I didn't. For the chef salads for Jason for his lunch. I think that's it, y'all. And then the Santa Fe salad. Brown gravy mix is like 29 cents as well, because I think it's part of that deal. So they lowered prices. The deal for the $40 Thanksgiving meal. So are you guys going to get a Thanksgiving meal or some of the sides and the fixings and stuff or your turkey from Aldi this year? And I think that's it, y'all. Yeah, so I kind of did a meal plan. We're eating a whole lot less, now, and this probably will last us probably 2 weeks because we'll have like leftovers and stuff like that. But thanks so much for watching, y'all, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye. Oh, and I almost forgot, y'all, to add the strawberry shortcake ice cream. I asked him, did he want anything, and he said yes. So he got this. Jason also loves this too. He has been getting this for years, especially in the single packs or whatever at the gas station or wherever they may have them. But I went in Food Line to get the Yasso Fudge Chocolate Crunch. I haven't had these in a couple of weeks. These are really good, and I only can find it in certain Walmarts and Food Line, and someone else there loves them just like I do. They have them in peanut butter, they have them in vanilla, they have them in, I think, caramel and strawberry, and then regular fudge itself.
I know that in this life you will have trouble. I just want to let you know that I'm still writing you new love letters. You see how I take care of the sparrow. I do it all for you to prove I gotcha. You see how I'm still painting the rainbow, so don't